Good morning, Cougars. I'm your host, Raphael, bringing you a stacked week of events before the end of March. Let's see what's in store. Why Wait? Overcoming Procrastination is a conversation about procrastination hosted by Launch and will be held on Teams at 2 p.m. this Thursday, March 28th. The link and join code can be found using the link in the description. If there are any problems or questions, please contact Launch at uh.edu. The Department of History invites you to its spring open house at the Honors College Commons this Wednesday, March 27th from noon to 1:30 p.m. This open house will feature representatives from resources and services such as the UH Writing Center, UH Libraries, and the Office of Undergraduate Research. Graduate school booths will provide insight into the post-grad path for professional studies. Course previews for the 2024 to 2025 academic year will also be offered. For more information and a detailed flyer of events, check the link in the description below. Did you know March is Women's History Month? Visit the Women and Gender Resource Center in the Student Center South basement between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. during the remainder of March to learn about a few key figures in women's history that have contributed to the advancement of all people. Don't forget to complete a survey for a free WGRC item. The ultimate campus recreation experience is here. Head to the Recreation Center this Thursday, March 28th from 3 to 6 p.m. for RecFest. Take part in games, prizes, free food, entertainment, and so much more. Activities will be held on the Rec Center front lawn, climbing wall, red zone, and outdoor leisure pool. Don't miss out on an afternoon of fun. Head to the campus tennis courts this Wednesday, March 27th from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. for a pickleball tournament. This one-day tournament is open to all, but participants must bring their own paddles. Register by Tuesday, March 26th on the UH Recreation website to see what all the hype is about. Are you interested in becoming an official for intramural flag football? The Campus Rec is hosting an officials training March 25th to 28th from 6 to 8 p.m. in the Campus Recreation Wellness Center, room 1004. Participants must attend all trainings, and there is no experience required. Unwind with Wellness Wednesdays are free events held by UH Wellness every Wednesday during the fall and spring semester. These events provide students with unique relaxation experiences on campus. This Wednesday, March 27th, Unwind with Wellness brings pet therapy to campus. So come on down to the College of Engineering pit to snuggle up with man's best friend from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Emergency Contraceptives 101 is an educational presentation on emergency contraceptives that covers the topics of how to use them safely and responsibly, why someone may use them, and the stigma/misinformation associated with it. This presentation will be held on Monday, March 25th from 11 a.m. to noon in the Student Center South Midtown room. Free STI testing will be held in the Student Center South downtown room from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. this Tuesday, March 26th. These screenings are open to all faculty, staff, and students. Now it's time for Out and About.
What are your names?
I'm Genesis.
I'm Austin Craig.
My name's Denise. I'm Mia. I'm Yvette. I'm Aura. I'm Sharon.
I'm Dr. Melody Lee, Assistant Professor in Chinese Studies, also the CV1FIR.
Definitely. Nice to meet you, Dr. Lee.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you mind telling us about why you're here today, what you're here to celebrate, and all of that?
Yes, so this is very exciting Black History Month event hosted by RHA. The FIRs of CV1, CV2, and the CLOT actually collaborate with them. We started discussing this event about a few months ago, and actually it came from the idea that we hosted like Hispanic festival and we should celebrate all other cultures as well. And then some of the students started putting this up together. So I'm just here to learn and celebrate Black history.
What are you most excited about today, to see today?
Honestly, UH has a really large Black population, so I'm excited for us all to come together, listen to some good music, eat some good food, and really just get to know about different organizations on campus and meet new people.
I'm excited to take this time to relax a little bit, see familiar faces that I haven't seen in a while, and really eat some food, maybe put on a show with some strolling.
Okay.
I was waiting for someone to say food. I was there like, ain't nobody excited about food? But anyway, yeah, okay, that's amazing. That's amazing. Do you think students should be coming to these events?
Because there's free food and it's exposure to like different orgs and just you can meet new people and it's fun.
Okay, so why do you think students should be coming for these events on campus?
Oh, I think it's just like to basically to celebrate like the cause, like the fact that it's Black History Month. So
yeah, and to get connections to like different organizations, Black people organizations. Yeah, I feel like if you're like on campus, you should like come to every like event to get involved in like on campus opportunities and stuff. Yeah.
I have nothing to say. They already said what I
already said it all, right? So true.
Well, the RHA works really, really hard to put on these giant programs for you guys. There's always a bunch of cool like perks you get from being here, and they happen all the time, all year long. So really, like, you know, make sure you're looking out for different programs that are going on, and pay attention to like the RHA Instagram, and make sure that you're just getting involved on campus, because you're only here for max 4 years, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little less. So you want to enjoy every moment you have, and you know, make the most of it.
I would tell the people that community is very important. Just love seeing everybody, and you don't know, maybe your presence might brighten somebody's day up, even though they might not tell you. So I'm looking to do the same here today.
Now it's time for a weekly wellness tip. As we close out the month of March, make sure to get on top of spring cleaning. Clearing your study and relaxation spaces can allow for more room to rest and learn. That's all for this week, Cougs. Until next time, I'm Raphael, keeping you in the loop. Bye.